TKX is in 4-speed or 5-speed 427. We are in. Now we just got to get the trans mount mocked up, get that part figured out, and keep on going. Well, all right, let's get awkward. All right, we got the shop progress update. Nothing makes sense right now. I'm tired. It's Friday. It's Halloween. Still here. We ended up making some channels. This is the 60-60-10. We made some channels for the cable to run through the door, so that way nothing gets pinched. Everything stays nice and clean. Power window conversion is done. These are all power now. Steering column's in it. Dakota Digital's basically in it and ready. We've been working on tons on this thing. Door shuts nice. It's nice having all the glass back in it. Guess what else is in it? 427 and the 5-speed. We're back. I'm still putting the intake together right now, trying to get the injectors inside the rails and get all that assembled back together. We just finished up all these power windows today. So they got these cranks that are super nice. Where's the handle at? Here we go. So it's just, those are super sweet for these. Just trying to get all the little knickknacks. You got little rubbers in, all kinds of little switches. The retro sound is in. The vintage air is in. What else? 5-speed, TKX 5-speed. This thing's made a ton of progress. Vintage air. They sent the wrong compressor, so we got a new compressor coming. It's a truck pulley setup. This thing's making great freaking progress. Jim's frame. This bad boy's back from getting powder coated. So this is that 51 Chevy that was sitting over there in the corner on the last video. 51 Chevy 5-window, sitting on a 2000 S10 frame. 6-liter 4L80 for it. Got my shelving in. Been mostly just doing a lot of shop stuff lately. Trying to get everything up to par. This truck's been like our main concern lately. Let's see what else. 65 Bel Air, big block car. We today we pulled the turbo 350 trans out, put a turbo 400 in it, and a little bit looser converter. I'm gonna change the mufflers out. So I had big plans for this car, but I think I'm just gonna put it to just a clean old hot rod. I'm not gonna do all. I was planning on doing twin turbos and all kinds of stuff to it, but we're not gonna do that now. And old raggedy Camaro, still blown up. No, it's not blown up. I just beat the head gaskets out of it. So still no head gaskets on this old girl. What else? What else is new? Quick update. Went to the pick and pull, stole some coil packs, cleaned them all up, scrubbed them, loomed the harness that was on it, took them off their the rack that was on. So coils are on, injectors are in, new Motion Raceworks throttle body, so that's on, intake tube, manifold, air temperature sensor there. All that's really left is we're going to put the regulator right here. So fuel pressure regulator will be off to the side, out of the way. Oof, we're getting close on this one. Very close. Got to add fluids, finish the fuel system, a couple more wiring things, and this thing's probably about ready to fire.
I actually can't believe I didn't record any building this whole exhaust for this truck. It's electric cutouts It's a 50 series, and then when you open it up, it goes straight past it, straight still into the same.
Oh no! Uh-oh! Uh-oh!
You couldn't have showed up at a better time.
You can't show up right now.
You gotta go.
No.
We just turned it over.
Oh,
We need an Allen.
Okay. Dude,
We literally just turned it over.
Pressure, making sure all the lines are clean. We're literally about to do it right now.
Oh my god. I saw you guys here, I was like, oh fuck, I'm coming by! I'm coming by right now!
Hey, you want to see some sexiness over here?
Yeah, you'll like this sexiness right here. Oh shit. Click her on, dude.
Oh, dude, that's beautiful.
Where we at?
Hang on. 34,
All the way?
37, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Perfect.
43 is where you want it?
Yeah, we're right. Actually, no, let's go 60.
Well, you have it in the monitor set
That's
for
60.
60. So you're at 48, 50, 52, 55, 56, 57, 58.
Right there.
Okay.
Alright. Fuel pressure set. TPS is set. We have oil. We have fuel in it. We have coolant in it.
We have power steering fluid in
We
the
have power
pipe.
steering fluid in the pump, but we're not hooked all the way up to the power steering pump yet. We just wanted to. I'm recording too. Okay. Good.
Good. Okay. Neutral.
Neutral.
Ready? That had oil pressure.
That one did?
That one did.
Smoking over there.
It's okay. It's gonna be burning off.
It's gonna be burning
Headers.
cans, everything off the headers.
How much do you have on this?
Like 50 something. I might need to change the setting in there.
Dude.
Go ahead.